What's up everyone and welcome to Me Creative Studio. If you have ever wanted to make your text look like this, today I'm going to show you the easiest 3D text perspective effect in CapCut using Canva, and honestly nobody is teaching this. The best part, it's completely free and you don't need any expense at all. Just follow along step by step, and by the end of this video you will have this exact effect ready to use in your own content. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is open Canva. If you don't have Canva yet, it's completely free. Just go to canva.com and create an account. So this is the Canva dashboard. Go ahead and create a new design. I'm using 16 by 9 so it will fit for YouTube. So now first thing we need to do is change our background color to black because our text is going to be white and it will be easy to be removed later. Now let's add our first text. As you see, our first text is in, so click on the text option and type the word in. Change the font to Anton. It's a bold, heavy font that looks really powerful when we apply the 3D perspective. Now make the text nice and large. We want it to fill a good portion of the canvas. Then center it right in the middle like this. Perfect. That looks great. Now we are going to download this as PNG file. On the left side bar of Canva, click on Up. Now in the search bar, type transform image and you will see the app appear. Click on it. It's going to ask you to choose a file. Go ahead and upload the PNG file we just downloaded, the one with the word in on it. Okay, now here is where the magic happens. So for our first word in, we want a left side perspective. So to get that, we hold the image and drag from the left side toward the center like this. See how it creates that 3D angle? That's exactly what we want. Play around with it until it looks just right, not too extreme and not too subtle. When you are happy with it, click Add to Design. Now delete the original text layer. We don't need that anymore. Resize the perspective image so it fits nicely inside the canvas. Something like this looks perfect. Now download this one again as a PNG file. This is our finished in perspective image and we are going to import this into CapCut later. Now we are going to do the same exact thing for our remaining 3 words. The only difference is the direction we drag from each one to get different perspectives. Our second word is the. Type in Canva, Anton font, make it large, center it, download as PNG, then go back into transform image and upload it. This time we want a top perspective, so hold the image and drag from the top downward like this. See how it now looks like you are reading the text from below looking up? That's the top perspective. Add to Design, resize, download. Third word is straight. Same process. Type it, Anton font, large, center, download. Inside transform image, this time we drag from the right side toward the center. This gives us the right side perspective, like the text is leaning away from you on the right. Looking good. Add to Design, resize, download. And our last text is of wall. Type it out, make it large, center it, download. In transform image, this time drag from the bottom upward. This gives us the bottom perspective, like the text is flat on the ground in front of you. Perfect. Add to Design, resize and download. So now we have all 4 perspective images downloaded and ready. Let's head over to CapCut now. Okay, we are now in CapCut. Before we import our image, let me quickly remind you what we are building. The first thing I'm going to do is copy this background from my previous project. You can use any background you like, a video clip, whatever fits your style. I really like this one. So now let's import all 4 of our perspective images. Select all 4 images at once and import them. We want them to come in one after another. So on the timeline, place each image clip slightly after the previous one, like this, and start slightly after we show the background first, then starts a second slightly after in, then straight, then off wall, step by step, one after the other. Now we need to remove the black background from each image. Tap on the first clip, the in image, look for the remove background, tap it, then select chroma key. Chroma key lets us remove a specific color from the image, and in our case that color is black and only the white 3D text remains. Now do the exact same thing for the remaining 3 clips. Okay, the straight end of wall. Tap each one, remove background, chroma key, select the black. Now this is the part that makes everything come alive. Tap on your first clip, the in image, tap animation, then tap in. These are the entrance animations. Now search for electric whip. There it is. Tap it to apply it. Now apply the same electric whip animation to all 4 clips. Now let's preview what we have so far. Look at that. Each word comes in one after another with that electric whip effect. Really cool, right? But we are not done yet. We still need the outro. Now let's add the outro animation. Tap your first clip, go to animation, but this time tap out instead of in. These are the exit animations. Select zoom out and set the duration to 3.5 seconds. This is important. We want all 4 texts to zoom out at exactly the same time for maximum impact. So make sure every clip has the same 3.5 second outro duration. Line them up so they finish together, and that's it, guys. That's the full 3D perspective text effect using Canva and CapCut. If you made it to the end of this video, I really appreciate you. It means a lot, especially since this is my first tutorial on this channel. If this helped you even a little bit, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps this video reach more people. And if you want to learn more effects like this, a lot more, go ahead and subscribe because I'm going to be dropping a new tutorials. Thank you.